Huntsville.
Hi, I'm Rutledge.
And I'm Des.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today's February 20th, 2026, and it's also National Comfy Day.
Yay! Now it's time for the Character of the Week. Marshall from Paw Patrol.
Ooh, my favorite show. I love Paw Patrol.
Well, now it's time for the Joke of the Week. If a cat loses its tail, where does it go?
Where?
The retail store.
That's a good one. Today's Pet Corner has its first feline friend featured. We have our first cat submission by Miss Elliott. The black kitty's name is Steve, and the white one is Kelso. Miss Elliott shared that Steve loves to cuddle, sleep under the covers, and bite his mom's toes. Kelso loves Steve, chicken, and playing video games with his dad. Thank you, Miss Elliott, for sharing Kelso and Steve with us. If you would like your pet featured on the CMS broadcast, please email a photo and 3 to 4 sentences about your pet to Mr. Salzman.
Today is the final day to submit your student council field trip forms to attend the field trip next week. If you haven't already done so, be sure to turn in your form to Mr. Salzman as soon as possible. Please turn your field trip forms and money to Mrs. Collins if you're in 6th or 8th grade, and to Mr. Salzman if you're in 7th grade as soon as possible.
On today's Secret Talent at CMS, we learn about a secret talent that the president of Student Council, Dylan Bodle, has that not many of us know about. Let's find more about Dylan's secret talent.
Leah, and this is Thorsten. Today we'll be interviewing Dylan Bodle on her secret talent.
Have you ever done a tornado cartwheel thingy in front of a crowd?
Yeah, I have actually. How long did it take you to be able to do this talent? Like 4 months.
Where did the name come from?
Emily Jacobson came up with it. I think. Who did you learn it from? Myself, just self-taught.
Does anyone know about this talent?
Probably about 5 people. Now 6 and 7.
Okay.
How long have you been able to do this talent?
Since last year.
Do you do it often?
Yeah, sometimes in my free time when I'm bored, I just do it.
Okay, that's it. Thank you. Hit you at the studio.
Yeah, see you at the studio.
Okay.
What an awesome talent. I never knew that Dylan could do that.
And today we are having chicken Alfredo for lunch.
Congratulations to Gwen Foster, Farron Bolton, Des Little, and Cheyenne Mace Collins for making it to the air hockey tournament. This will take place during advisory today.
And today is also PJ Day.
And that's all for the CMS broadcast.
Bye.